Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world, and it is the weekend and MD is giving away a free watch face, and nice it is. The name of the watch face is going to be called MD75. Stay tuned. We got the review coming right up. Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world, and today we got an awesome, and I do mean awesome, watch face to take a look at. Now MD is opening up the door for a free download for 2 days, the 16th and the 17th. You don't want to miss out on this one. This watch face is definitely nice. Now the name of it again is going to be called MD75, right? Now in always on mode, it looks pretty much the same. It's going to differ from the Gear 3 to the Gear 2, but you're still going to be able to see your time and your other information at a glance with no problem. Now, when the watch face is on, the first thing that caught my eye was the animation of the seconds that's going around the top, also down at the bottom. A great look in my opinion. I'm liking this, but if you look at the top also, you're going to get information on your steps, calories burned, miles walked or ran. You're going to get your digital time dead center. You come down some, you're going to get your goal completed. I'm already at 119%. I think I did pretty good. Also, you get the date and the day of the week. Now, if you come down just a tad more, you're going to get your heart rate information, moon phase, and your seconds are also down at the bottom. I'm telling you, MD got down on this one. Now, here is going to be your goal completed. Here is going to be your battery info, which gives it a really nice, kind of a futuristic look in a sense. I'm liking it, but we're not done yet, you all. Check this out. Now I'm gonna tap down at the bottom where the moon phase is. Now that brings up some shortcuts that you can tap into, 6 in all, and they are interactive. So if I want to go in and check out my music, I can. My weather, same thing. I thought Mario Dini got down on this one. This was definitely different, and I'm liking it. What do you think, guys? Now remember, I'm gonna say it one more time. This will be free for the taking tomorrow and Father's Day. And happy Father's Day to everybody. If I don't get a chance to tell you, I hope you have a great and enjoyable weekend. And with that, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will see you all at the next video. Take care.